Want to turn your B2B calls into guaranteed meetings? Here's how. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure your calls are effective and lead to successful meetings. Whether you're new to B2B sales or looking to refine your approach, these tips will help you set up meetings like a pro. Step 1. Prepare before the call. Preparation is the foundation of a successful call. It's not just about knowing who you're calling, but also understanding their business needs and how you can address them. Have all the info you need right in front of you. LinkedIn profile, past messages, and a clear objective. This means researching the company, understanding their pain points, and knowing exactly what you want to achieve from the call. Know your pitch. Practice it until you can deliver it confidently and naturally. This will help you come across as professional and prepared. Step 2. Timing is key. The timing of your call can significantly impact its success. Avoid early mornings, late evenings, and lunchtime. These are times when people are either too busy or not in the right frame of mind to have a productive conversation. Aim for mid-morning or early afternoon. These times are generally when people are most alert and available. Step 3. Start with a polite introduction. Here's a sample script. A good introduction sets the tone for the rest of the call. Hello Raman, this is Rohit. Always start by addressing the person by their name and introducing yourself clearly. I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time. This shows respect for their time and sets a courteous tone. I reached out to you recently on LinkedIn. Mentioning a previous point of contact helps to jog their memory and establish a connection, and emailed you about exploring. This reinforces your previous efforts to connect and shows that you're serious about the conversation. How we can support ABC Bank with innovative technology solutions. Be specific about what you're offering and how it can benefit them. Do you have a moment to chat? This is a polite way to ensure they have time to talk and are not distracted. Step 4. Get to the point quickly. Busy professionals appreciate brevity. Say something like, "Thank you for your time." Always express gratitude for their time and attention. I specialize in helping organizations. Clearly state your expertise and how it relates to their needs. Like ABC Bank drive digital transformation. Tailor your message to their specific situation to make it more relevant and compelling. Let's schedule a quick 20-minute meeting. Suggest a short, specific time frame to make it easier for them to agree. To discuss how we can support your initiatives. This shows that you're focused on their needs and ready to provide value. Step 5. Be flexible with scheduling. Flexibility can make it easier to secure a meeting. Suggest a time but be open to their schedule. This shows that you respect their time and are willing to accommodate their availability. Would next week work for you? Offering a specific time frame helps to move the conversation forward. I'm available on Tuesday or Thursday morning, but I can adjust to a time that suits you better. This flexibility can make it easier for them to say yes. Step 6. Handle objections gracefully. Objections are a natural part of the process. How you handle them can make a big difference. If Raman hesitates, offer to follow up. This shows that you're persistent, but also respectful of their time. I completely understand you're busy. Acknowledging their busy schedule shows empathy and understanding. Can I follow up in a couple of weeks? This keeps the door open for future communication. Meanwhile, I'll share some insights over email. Providing value even if they can't meet right away keeps you on their radar. Step 7. Confirm and thank. If the meeting is agreed upon, say, confirmation is key to ensuring the meeting actually happens. Great. We're set for Tuesday at 10 a.m. Clearly state the agreed upon time to avoid any confusion. I'll send you a calendar invite to confirm. Thank you, Raman. Sending a calendar invite helps to formalize the meeting. Looking forward to our discussion. Expressing enthusiasm sets a positive tone for the upcoming meeting. Step 8. Follow up after the call. Following up is crucial to maintaining momentum. Send a quick email to confirm the meeting. This ensures that both parties are on the same page and include relevant materials. Providing additional information can help to make the meeting more productive. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with anyone in B2B business. Sharing this video can help others improve their B2B call strategies. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies to grow your career. Thank you for watching. Subscribing ensures you don't miss out on future valuable content. Thank you for watching.